Dali lang video ko niya. Category C.
San Diego, California, and you are here with your beautiful family. How about you give them a shout out?
I too want a beautiful family. I'm married in Ilongga, so that's why I'm here.
A beautiful Ilongga named Christy Pineda.
To, maglabay ni puli to.
We're glad that you can join us.
Maglabay ni puli ta.
Expecting today.
Ha? Pwede ka na kalangoy daw.
What are you looking forward to today?
Maglakat na karon dali lang.
Both. Have you seen it up close? Like you went there and then... Actually, if it's your first time, you wouldn't think they would be that fast, right? Yes. So aside from that, we are going to have the best tasting lechon, and we're sure you've tried lechon because your wife is in Ilongga.
Of course, I'll be there.
Are all your celebrations at home? Do you guys prepare lechon as well?
Ligo ka to.
Yes, because celebration won't be complete without the lechon here in the Philippines.
But you know what, Zach? One thing about us Ilonggos is we love lechon. We try to pair it with different sauces, right? If you could pair it with a certain sauce, what sauce would that be?
It would be Batchmaster. That's my sauce from San Diego.
Oh wow, do you have it right now?
Actually, I brought
Finish na, wala nang matatalo dyan. Hindi na ko ah. Diyan ko. Hoy na, nginaw. Wala po tiya nga ko ano, Simon.
Kuhain ng gatang muya. Ang marami sa kapaan natin yun.
Hoy pa.
Yes, ha?
Hoy pa.
Tatlo kita sa may, sa may...
Ari-ara pa gito. Bagay pamutangan ako no.
Siniwal nga, ano?
Hindi na kayo kwan likado na.
Bakit? Itubod mo ta, damo na sa wala.
Ay dali lang video ko niya.
Pati na malampasan ng red flag to make it official.
Before the headphones, hindi sa tumbang.
Oo, grabe.
Grabe, hindi pa like, kulay ka na
Kasi pag diretso sa stage. Okay.
Naka-step, yung moment yung like, work na lang gamay just to make sure that same ways are happening guests watching us right now. Ladies and gentlemen, 8-9 ang nagapanguna!
Wow! A9! Nagawa, sumas pang isaw! Oh! Sumas partner! Ayun! Giving their best!
Ayan! Kaya makita ka na ang mga tao nila. Yes.
Oh! Nagawa po na ginobra nila sila ng mga paraw para mas magdasig pa rin.
Yes! Kanya-kanyang strategy, don't stop.
Ayan na!
Ala!
Here we go! Tapos ang tanaw, natupo na sila ano ah.
Ay,
Sino ay Han?
dali!
Yeah! Come on! Ayun na, nakabayaw-bayaw na! There you go!
First place is
A9!
followed by
Dalawa na doon. Congratulations, A9! And ang nagpapangalawa is A18! Congratulations!
grabe nga palo ni
Grabe.
A18 18 para makalagas kay A9.
Grabe pa ang push 18 eh.
Gani.
Oh, grabe. Kumbaga kung may pwersa pa silang nga nabilin, inubos na.
Correct. So, may isa pa, this is A14. So, A9, A18, and congratulations. Announcing, of course, all the official winners from our judges para masigurado na kung sino man yung dala ang magabato sa atong mga papremyo sa subong na alaw.
So makita natin partner na taong naman ang tuli. So pwede ka naging niya ka-swim. Maglukso mo sa stage, swim ka.
Hindi niya isa
Karoon ka. Kasi nga taon na ang linsyon kay may sauce na ta.
na ikaw na talagang base na. Dahil ang sauce ready you need to go through different markers.
Markers.
Once hindi kumpleto ang 5 markers, they might be disqualified. So, basilain ang placement natin. Once we announced earlier, it's just the ang pagsunod nila, ang pag-abot nila, ang sequence nila. And coming in right now, see?
From category B, B1!
B1! Congratulations! Let's see kung ikaw ang ibalaang nanguna or nagapanguna sa category B.
Yeah, congratulations pa again. Maagi pa na sa validation. We have 5 markers na dapat maagyan sa aton nga paraw. Make sure na nakumpleto nila no, ang aton mga markers. And again, that will be validated pa. And we will have the official announcement later on. No?
B1 is Mark Carney from Leganes.
Congratulations.
So, ako na lang nahiya ang sequence pa lang sa pag-abot nila. Meron lang naman natin kanina. Masaylo na kita.
Hoy!
Sa stage ng best tasting
Let's
Lechon.
run! Okay, this is B1. And then followed by C6. C1 is Marjonic. Then C6 is Ashley Obrakay. Marjonic, I think, is Yanito Espinosa. Of Santo Minnesota, Alabama. Congratulations. Marjonic and Ashley. Followed by
24. No back. Then Bon. Number 4 is Bon of Boracay. Very good. Alas 10 tapos na sila. Congratulations sa ating tanan.